Hello guys, we are going to learn transformer repairs and transformer coil rewinding today. I'm right here in the workshop of one of the best transformer experts we have in my country. He's government approved and he's going to teach us a lot. Okay, so we can see there are so many transformers here. These are the primary terminals of this very transformer, while over here are the secondary terminals of this transformer. So this is the coil winding process. As we can see, it's a coil winding process, and from my observations, the old windings weren't completely burnt. So part of this is the old winding, it wasn't completely burnt, so part of it is being used for this new job. Okay, the machine used here is a manual former, is a manual coil former, and for me I think it's more preferable because you can easily pause, make some adjustments, and then continue. Like, you are fully in charge of the whole process. You are seeing the whole wire movement. This is very important because the wires are not meant to cross each other. What this means is that one line of wire should be independent of each other. The lines should be independent of each other. There shouldn't be a point where one wire will climb the other. So this is an aluminium coil. This is an aluminium coil. I think it's aluminium due to cost considerations. Making use of copper for this big rewinding will be extremely expensive. So this is aluminium wire. I know you'll be having a lot of questions in mind right now, especially those of you that are my old subscribers. You'll be asking questions like, what's the number of turns, the wire gauge, and trying to compare what is going on here to the normal generator coil rewinding we are familiar with. But not to worry, I've liaised with the engineer here, and he's ready to teach us everything from scratch. He's going to introduce transformers to us, teach us how to test transformers, let us know the possible problems and causes of those problems, and then teach us how to repair transformers and step by step how to rewind transformers from start to finish. So guys, it's going to be a very interesting experience, subject to what my viewers want. So what I mean is, if you are interested in learning how to repair transformers and how to rewind transformer coils, how to test transformers, how to troubleshoot, and be an expert in anything concerning transformers, simply indicate interest by typing "I am interested" in the comment section. The responses I get in the comment section is going to determine whether or not I should go ahead and invite the engineer to intensively tutor us on transformer repairs and transformer coil rewinding. We're almost done with this layer. Just stay tuned and watch what's going to happen at the end of each layer, how we transition to the next layer. Just stay tuned and learn with me. Let's go, guys.